subscribe, and let's go! Go!
Asian highways, Japan, Korea, China, India. Okay,
3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Hi, Blueberry.
Hi, I'm Grape.
A few moments later.
Wrong, restart.
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm Blueberry.
Hi, I'm Grape. And we are the so this counts as guns. Sorry. And we're playing Animal Hospital.
We're playing Animal Hospital.
But we still.
We've already played this game before, so yeah. Wait, hold on.
Where did Grape go? I don't know.
Where did you go?
I mean, Grape.
Blueberry, what's wrong with you?
There's nothing wrong with her.
Yes, there is.
There's something wrong with you.
Shut up.
Anyways, we still don't know if we're only gonna let in anomalies for our first vlog of this Animal Hospital.
I go being secretary.
Okay.
Even though I'm paramedic. I'm gonna be the one in front desk, alright? Go, guy, go, get out. And we might go to shit.
Where? Oh, no. Oh, she left. Sorry, guys. Film Jackson. Did I just? Okay, guys. So in our last video, you didn't hear Blueberry talk like at all. Only in the.
Our last vid we did trolling Brookhaven and Eden. It was chaotic.
Yeah, but
After you watched the video, guys, watch our last video. Yeah, this is our second video.
second video, yeah.
Because you have to put Bonnie in because like he's gonna give us a second coffee machine.
We know that. But hold on. Oh yeah, guys, if you want like another part 2 of us playing Animal Hospital, but letting only anomalies in,
Yeah.
like the video.
And subscribe. No, for part 2.
Girl, I'm doing it.
100 likes on this video.
Huh?
We're, on the next video, we're gonna play Animal Hospital again, but only letting anomalies in. We're gonna reject every good patient except for anomalies.
Yeah.
And comment.
No, but we can't.
And comment. Comment.
Girl, I'm doing it. You already did the first one. Yeah.
Comment cardboard box if you want us to do that part 2.
Yes. Wait, y'all. I'm gonna turn my notifications off because there's people
That's
messaging.
kiwi. Yeah, I'm gonna Blueberry. Oh, bye. Hello. Can we do a break? Oh, no, it's service.
Okay.
Oh, this guy seems like normal.
So, you should have gone to a different hospital. Well, you big back fatty animal, you big fat animal, you can go. Like, why are you sitting here all day? Like,
Wait, why do you keep saying big fat fatty?
those are my like 2 most favorite words. I'll do room 4, Blueberry. Okay, y'all, my bad.
From accounting.
Don't close the door. I ain't doing anything by y'all.
I'll be the only one taking care of
Dehydration, IV drops, and med kit.
iPhone copy. I forgot what I did. This one.
I thought that was Raffy, but that's Ron from accounting, my bad. What room's next? What room is next? I say what room is next?
Peanut brown.
What room is next? Okay, room 5. Girl, I was gonna do that.
Hey! Leave it for Barney.
I'll give it. I won't drink it.
Get out.
Is that all the patients? Oh, I didn't realize. Why does it minus John's dress? I'm not even stressed.
Can you get out? This is my job. Go. I don't want to be secretary.
Yeah, I know. I don't.
So there's nothing special here. We can't buy anything here.
Guys. So, if you see Dr. Harlow, like, complaining, and then you go to the, shop, and you see mint coffee, buy it, and then give it to the doctor. I call doing this patient. I'm doing room 1, y'all.
No, I won't buy it. Barney is an old Scotty River.
Yeah, you can do room 1. Did I kill it? Oh, I killed it. There was a hider, guys. If you hear background noises, I'm not in a quiet room. Room 3, Blueberry, I'll do it. Dinosaurs and elephants, and I am going crazy. Moments of awkward silence. tried you. I don't trust this dude. Whoa, don't look up. And I just looked up. Why are you here? Oh, this dude has a visitor who might be. Your name is. Stop! Don't close the door. I don't trust you. Is the taser available? I don't trust this dude. Get out now. Get out. It might be eating the patient. What? Did you guys see the stalker anywhere? I knew it. Oh wait, never mind. Okay, do what you did. Okay. Scissors. I'll tell you what you need. Oh, transplant. I'll get the speed. Orchid. That's scary. Is Barney here? Guys, I'm totally not scared. Disciplines. Blue. What? Blue. Pink. Okay, my back is background. Kiwi, are you kidding? Herb. You came here for herb? Oh my gosh, guys. Yummy. I am so sorry, guys.
Blueberry, can you just do a room for that?
What? Sorry, I went into the wrong room. So y'all, I hope you're enjoying the video so far.
Don't go in. This is my office. You can just come in for coffee. Actually, give it to Blueberry. She needs it.
I know.
Guys, you can only come in my
Barney's here.
coffee.
Take 2 sips.
Extra check and window.
Nothing good.
Barney, you want a digit? Okay.
I'll buy this because why not? Sorry, y'all. People are singing. If we get 1 like on this video, we will do a part 2.
I just 100 likes straight.
That's impossible.
Yeah, actually, they never like.
No, I only have 1 like.
For 5 likes, we'll do part 2, guys.
Yes. Of us only letting anomalies in, and we have to.
Oh, we already said that.
I know, and I don't care. What? How do you know that? What's your name? Stop! I can't. Keto. I don't know. It was moving. Who has the taser?
Me.
Okay. Guys, wrap it up. Your family doesn't know you're there. What? Guys, I'm confused. I'm not looking at the stalker, but it keeps saying I did. What's that about? I'm doing room 6 again, bro. Ah! Why is there high voltage inside? Blue? What is that? Yellow, blue, yellow, green, yellow. I fear this thing. So you need herbs, cocktails, and
Guys, can I do room 5?
because of Rathu.
No, Rathy's not there, bro.
Good. How many things do you want, bro? Just go buy maple syrup. Then coming here. Did they pay us money? Oh yeah, they did. Is the camera good? Pointing in. The visitor? Sophie Clouds. Didn't we already have a Sophie Clouds? Whoa!
I kill sample.
Someone pooped. Guys, shift 5 is the day.
Oh, okay.
You guys want an anomaly?
Yeah. Bye, Anna. Bye, Blueberry. Guys, Blueberry to go. So is bye. Bye.
Ah,
Bye. Bye.
well, we can, like, if we get 5 likes.
Yeah. Guys, please give us at least 5 likes so we can do part 2 for this animal hospital. I'm sorry. It was short, but like we promise that we'll make another part 2.
Yeah.
If you give us 5 likes.
Bye.
You don't have to, just have a good day. But yeah, God bless you guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Hey guys, that's all for today, and we hope you enjoyed the video. Peace!